Hi friends, coming straight into the video. So this is VGod Fino 2.25 DG stabilizer. This is how the packaging came from Flipkart. So let's open the package and see the looks. After opening the outer package, this is how the company package looks. This is how the front looks. Top, bottom, back. This is the one of the side. And this is the other side. So here they mentioned the price is 3685, but in the Flipkart you will get at a better discounted price. So I'll leave the links in the description, so check it there and buy the one for you. Okay, so let's open this company package also. So after opening the company package, this is how the package looks. So this time they provide only the cardboard based package rather than the spongy package previously. So let's open this wrap and see the final look of the product right now. So on opening the entire package, these are the things inside the box. One is stabilizer, manual and warranty card, wall mounting procedure guide, silica gel which reduces the moisture free content inside the box, and the wall mounting screws. So let's keep all this one side and discuss about the features of this stabilizer right now very clearly. So first come to the dimensions. Length 19 centimeters, width 12, and height is 9 centimeters, and the length of the cable is 1.1 meter. So friends, next coming to the design of the product, this is how it looks on the front. VGod branding logo. So plain with matte finish look has been designed. So on the right side, glassy finish from the top to bottom. On the bottom here they mentioned the Fino DG series. DG means digital display series. In this display you will get input output voltage indication. Along with that indications, there are 4 separate indicators are there, that is LO, high, IP, OP. So overall these are the indications will be displayed on this display while you connect it on your power point. Okay, so this is how front looks. One of the side is like this, very plain. On the other side also same to same design. Okay, here they stick with the warranty seal. Don't remove it by your own. This will be useful at the time of the service time if there is any chances of claiming the warranty. Okay, on the bottom this is how it looks. Okay, coming to the top, this is how they designed. Okay, so 3-pin plugs, 2 separate chambers has been given. One is for the TV, another one is for the setup box. Okay, if you are having any home theater system, just attach any universal adapter and attach whatever you want on that plug. Okay, this is the output here they mentioned, and this is the main means power plug. Okay, so the power plug quality is really superb. So this is normal 6 amperes power plug. So this is how it looks. Okay, on turning back, you will see the wall mounting holes. So if you want to mount it, 7 centimeters hole should be mounted to your wall and get it attached. And coming to the bottom, some of the information has been there. If you want this, just pause it and see it. Okay, and coming to the right side on the top, and there is a fuse is there. When there is high fluctuations in your home, there is a chances of burning your fuse. So in order to get it replaced, just rotate it on the anti-clockwise direction. So this is how the fuse looks. The company will be provided extra fuse, so get it attached to this one and place it onto its original position and tight it until it tights. Okay, so leave about it. And coming down, so this is the thermal air exhaust holes. When there is heat generated inside the stabilizer, the heat will be comes from this holes position. Okay, so on the bottom, this is how it looks, friends. So overall, from a long distance, this is the final outlook of this back of the product. Okay, so friends, in my point of view, this is the one of the cutest and smallest stabilizer, especially for TVs from the VGod brand. I reviewed Voltino series also. Voltino is wall mounted series only, but this one is wall mounted along with the ground floor series. Okay, so you just place it on the ground, it doesn't fall on the front or back. Okay, so one of the plus point in this stabilizer. Okay, both having their own style, friends. You can choose which style you want it. Okay, so friends, now get it attached to the wall mount and see how the final look of the product will get appears to you. Okay, So guys, finally attached the stabilizer to the wall mount. This is how it looks. Okay, so coming to the wire, this is the VGod wire and this is the TV connection and this is the Airtel DTH connection. Actually guys, Airtel DTH power adapter brick is very bulky in size, but this time it fits perfectly to the stabilizer with a minimal gap also. Okay, I like this option in the Efino series, which I faced some issues in the Voltino series. Okay, so let's on the power and see what we can see in the digital display. So guys, you can see DLY delay. Okay, so this delay will be depends upon the fuse protection, surge protection, and TV's working voltage range protection. Okay, this all will be stabilized in this delay time. Okay, it's maximum up to 8 to 10 seconds only, so no need to worry about it. Okay, now okay, just come back and see the look of the product. So actually guys, this is my sister home, so she is using 32 inches Sony LED TV. Actually this stabilizer is supports up to 47 inches, but this is 32 inches. Okay, but still you can use the stabilizer, because friends, you can use bigger stabilizer for the smaller TVs, but you can't use smaller stabilizer for the bigger TVs. Okay, so in order to get it clear, this TV supports up to a power working voltage range of 100 to 240 volts, but this stabilizer supports from 90 to 290 volts, so it is range in between the stabilizer, so you can use it without any worry. So check before whether your TV supports it fit between in that range or not. Okay, so make sure that one, okay, before buying this product. So maximum 99% of the TVs will support the working range here, so no need to worry about it. If you are planning to buy any bigger higher versions of the TVs like up to 47 inches, then you can buy this stabilizer even if you are having small TVs in our home. Okay, so guys, this is how it looks. Perfect stabilizer. If you are having any doubts, please comment in the comment section. I give a reply each and everybody. So guys, that's it regarding to this video. Catch you in the next video. Until take care, bye bye.